Hello friends, welcome back. My name is PK. In this video you will learn how to create a stylish stack column chart with integrated totals in Microsoft Excel. As you are seeing my screen, I have created this beautiful chart to show the 5 different products sale. And we are showing this sale by location. We have 4 locations: India, USA, UK and Germany. You can see in the chart we have created this stylish stack column chart. Then we are showing totals in the oval above this chart. You can use this chart in your Excel dashboard, like your sales dashboard or any other business dashboard. I will explain you step by step how we can create this in Microsoft Excel. Please watch this video till the end. So let's start without delay. I'm going to copy this data and add a new workbook and paste that here. So we have this data here. This is simple sum function. Sum of these 4 locations, that is total sales for P1 product, P2, P3, P4 and P5. Alright. Now select this and go to the insert a new chart. So we will insert here this stack column chart. So we have selected all the data. Okay. So we have here total sales, then the location. Now select this chart, go to the chart design and click on switch row column. We will take product on the horizontal axis. Okay. Now you can see we have the products on the horizontal axis. But we have the total sale here in the stack, which should be separated one. So right click and go to the change series chart type. And here we are at combo option, the total sales as a secondary. And for total sale, we will change the chart type and we will take this one, which is cluster column. Click on OK. Now our chart will look like this. Go to the chart axis and remove the vertical axis from here, secondary and primary both. Okay, we will keep only horizontal axis. Now we can remove the grid lines also. Select and press delete, or you can remove from the chart elements. Select this blue bar, right click, go to the format data series, and here gap bit, let's decrease this, take around 20%. Go to the fill and line and fill the solid color, and we will fill here this green color, light green, with the transparency of 80%. So our chart will look like this. Now we will add the line also to this green color. So select this and go to the format and here shape outline, and let's choose again the same light green color. We will reduce the width of this line. Let's take this 1/4 point. So it will look like this. Now we can change the color of locations and we can remove this total sales from here. Double click on the legend of total sales and press delete button. So that will be deleted. Now double click on the India one and then go to the fill and line, solid fill, and for India let's take this light green. Double click on the USA one and solid fill. Here you can take some different color. Let's say this blue, or let's say this blue. Double click on UK, so let's keep the UK as it is. Double click on the Germany and let's take some different color. Let's say I'm taking this purple one, or you can choose any other color, whatever you want to choose as per your theme. Now select any location on the chart. You can click on the chart and in the chart option you can select, let's say, series India. Okay, any of the series location, and then you can go to the series option, and here let's take the 50% in the series overlap, and let's take the 50% in the gap bit. Okay, so this chart will look like this. Select the chart and go to the chart element and just on the data label. Select the data label now and take the white font for each. Make it bold. Similarly here. Alright. Now for these data label, you can take the blue color, let's say this one, make this bold. Then right click and go to the change data label shape and let's take this oval. Make blue again, and here the outline we can take the same outline, and the weight we will take this one. We can go to the shape effects, shadow, and let's take this shadow which is offset center. Now we can select the product on the horizontal axis, go to the shape outline and say no outline, home, and make the blue color, and here take the font as Arial rounded empty bold. Same for the legend also, Arial rounded empty bold, and take this blue color. Remove the chart title from here and select the plot area, make the chart little bit bigger and make it slightly smaller to keep the chart title on top. We will add the title manually. Select the chart and go to the format, and here we will take the shape outline, again the same outline, and weight we will take again this 1/4. Okay. Now let's go to the insert and let's go to the shapes, and here we will insert this rectangle like this. Go to the shape format, shape outline, let's take no outline. Shape fill, let's take this light green color which is the theme of this chart. Now we can add the chart title here, whatever we want to add. In this case I'm adding, let's say, stylish stack column chart with integrated totals, and font I'm taking here Arial rounded empty bold, make this bold select. Alright, go to the view and remove the grid lines from here. Our chart is ready. Friends, that is how you can create this stylish stack column chart with integrated totals in Microsoft Excel. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Friends, if you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe my channel to get the regular update of my videos. Thank you so much for watching.